Welcome to Arcivate's tips and tricks for invoice processing. Here we've got an invoice that needs to be approved, a non-purchase order invoice, and we're inside My Invoices. Here we can see it, the ability to approve it from within the web browser application. Or wouldn't it be simpler if you received an email like this? Here is the email with the ability showing you the invoice, which supplier it's from, the invoice date, the invoice number, the total amount, and the lines with their various coding. I also have the ability from within here to go see the image of the invoice. And I also have the ability to be able to then go back and see it inside the task if I wish. But more simply and easily, why don't I just approve it from here or reject it from here? Hit approve, and we're done.